Marcus, what are we doing today?
All right, today we're going to be changing the valve cover gaskets and the spark plug tube gaskets. We're going to be doing it without taking the engine out. Follow along.
And we're going to see if we can finesse our way through, pull it out, and then finesse it back in. So yeah. Let's get to it.
All right, so what we're doing is we jacked up the car, we took the tire off. This little piece, now I'm missing my liner in here, so that makes it a little bit easier. I don't think you will have to take it out. This piece, this plastic piece right here, just comes out. There's two little pop clicks. You take a flathead, you just put it in and kind of turn it and you can pop it out. If you take that out, it makes it easy. So what we're gonna do is from below, we're gonna hit the bottom valve cover bolts and maybe the one on the side. But if you take this little plastic piece out, it'll make it a little bit easier.
Marcus was down there, he hit the bottom three. I was up here, I was able to hit both of the middle bolts and all three of the top. With the panel that he removed, he was able to get the bottom right corner. I don't think there's a way for you to get it from the top. So the way that we got it worked perfectly. Now he's down there with the flathead.
Yeah, it's already.
Yeah, so it's ready to go. We'll just go around, remove the gasket, clean up the surface on both sides, and then we'll get back with you whenever we put it back in. Let's get to it. So now we're taking out the spark plug gasket.
Okay. Pretty much, if you have like a 90-degree one of these little tong things.
More like 45-degree.
Okay. If you just grab it by the edge and just pull it, they're kind of on there, so you kind of have to pull it.
Now we're gonna replace the gasket, clean it up. We got some brake cleaner, and then slap it back on. All right. So here's a good visual of the gasket. This is towards the cab. This is front of the car. And then these are the two spark plug gaskets that we just pulled out. Pretty straightforward, just not much room, but we are getting it out without jacking up the engine.
Here are the new ones. These are genuine Subaru ones. Got them from Fast WRX, so check them out, I guess.
We're getting there, slowly but surely. We got the valve cover.
He's gonna show.
Quit moving it, frick!
Look how clean it is.
All right, so we got the valve cover cleaned up with some brake cleaner, and we put in the new gasket. We're gonna clean the surface of the motor, which we already have. We're just going to double check it, and then we're going to lay this back on and tighten them up. But first, we can't forget the spark plugs.
What do you mean? Oh, yeah.
Alright, so we've got the valve cover back in with the new gasket. The bolts are just snug in there. The sequence from the video that we saw, it's going to be...
No, we're professionals. We know exactly what we're doing.
Stop lying. Front, center. There's only two on the sides. So front, back, top center, bottom center, and then cross, top left, bottom right, bottom left, top right. We gotta put in the injectors and plug them back in, and then this side is done.
We took out the injectors?
Or not the injectors, the coils. How are you feeling?
Around.
Alright, he's changing the oil right now. On this side, I popped off this little tab. You pull it out, it comes off this bracket, and then this tab right here, you just push it with the flathead, just to get it out of the way. I'm going to loosen these two screws, they're 2 millimeters. I'm going to move this computer out of the way, and I think this bracket just pops off where there's more screws under, and that'll give us clearance to the full valve cover. So this bracket, this bolt, and this bolt.
Marcus, you're about to get yelled at.
Hold it straight!
They go there and there. The computer, this middle hole, goes to the bottom of this computer. And then these are the two that were visible earlier. And then you just pull it out, flip it under this harness, and get it out of your way. Now you have the valve cover.
So for the coils, we kind of already pulled them out, but I'll show you this. So the coil closest, this goes for the other side too. The coil closest to the front of the car, you can actually just pull out. Like how I do it is you kind of pull a little bit to the front towards it, and then you can kind of maneuver it out. This one you don't have to unplug. If you can pull it out first, and then you can just, if you push down, it just comes off like that. Now for the other one, you have to pop it out. This is a flathead, but it works better with a Phillips in my opinion. Basically, I would honestly leave it bolted in first. You put this to here, and you literally just you don't try and get in there. You just literally go like that, and it pops out. When it's sitting here, you kind of push it forward towards the front of the car, and then you'll notice you'll be able to kind of push and pull it out.
All right, sweet.
But almost
perfect.
Done.
Yeah, this is taking a little longer than we thought. Second valve cover is off. Clean up the edges. We put some brake cleaner to this one.
Cleaned it up a bit.
It's looking OEM.
Yeah, not
It's
too
like a
bad.
brand new spanking.
So this side is supposed to be the easier side. It comes up easier.
But this very back bolt was hard to get to. But if you get under it like the other side, you can get to it. If you have a ratchet wrench size 10, it'll be a lot easier. We just have like a static one. I don't know the word for it, but it's just like a standard one. So we had to like put it on, barely move it, put it on, barely move it.
If you're trying to finger it out,
Okay,
probably do it from the top.
Yeah, if your hand's skinny enough, you can go from the top and try to get it with your finger, but
The bottom, you have like no space.
yeah,
so
there's no
just
space.
FYI.
Because of the exhaust, I'll show you all. You can see that hole and that hole, and then there's one in the very back. I can't even get the camera in there because I'm using the DSLR.
You got some DSLs.
Okay, but it's back behind this plate. It's kind of hard to get an adapter back there because there's just not that much space. But our goal is to do this without jacking up the motor, and we are doing it. So far, so good. So we're gonna explain the process of us getting the spark plugs out. So the spark plug is in between these two cam lobes and these two cam lobes. I have Marcus underneath putting the socket in. It's a deep socket, size 14, and then we have this 3-inch extension.
You know what else is 3 inches?
All right, gonna have this 3/8 ratchet. Just
Yeah.
slowly moving it, getting it out as we can. While we're in here, we're swapping out the spark plug, and then we just pop in those circle gaskets for the spark plug,
So,
and then
yeah.
we'll slap the valve cover back on.
The realest thing about Subarus.
Okay, we're on hour 684. Not really.
I'll crash it.
No, but the biggest headache that we're having is that back bottom bolt. Luckily, he has skinny hands, and he's able to get this in there and on there. But if you have
A
what is it
ratchet
called?
wrench.
Yeah, if you have a ratchet wrench,
And you go, dude, oh my god, it would make it so much easier.
Yeah,
so if you can
we-
get one of those,
we would have been
please.
done probably
Yeah.
like an hour ago. Yeah, if you have a 10mm ratchet wrench, it will come in clutch for both sides on the bottom back bolts.
This side is
So
specifically.
that's
yeah.
a big note. Just go ahead and buy you a 10mm ratchet wrench. We are just doing the tightening segment. And then we're gonna plug it all up and start it. Nope, we're gonna plug it all up, put oil
Well,
in
in
it,
it,
and
then start.
and okay. We got everything plugged in, ready to go. He's doing some custom zip tie work underneath. Low life. Got the wheel back on. Everything just takes time. It's not hard, except for that very back bottom bolt. Everything just takes time.
Ratchet wrench,
You need caffeine, pizza, and some music, and you'll be
white
fine.
monster.
All the white monsters and God's baddies. All right. See ya.
You go, dang twin. Okay. He proposed to me.
It's gonna scrape. It only did it going back.
Actually, I think it's better. It was like
It's
kind of
scoop down.
dangling in the center. Yeah, so it maybe actually won't scrape.
All right. See you later.
All right, see you. Thanks.
Ignore that. New thing's coming soon.